Good morning, Hong Kong, and welcome to episode 11 of Hong Kong Insurance 101. Given recent local events, we thought in this episode it might be sensible to look at a rarely discussed form of business insurance. Please forgive the tangent off health insurance. Today, we're talking about business interruption cover. Not often seen because really, do you need it in a city like Hong Kong? To answer that, we need to look at the definition of the product. Business interruption insurance is generally considered coverage against the necessary and unavoidable interruption or interference of the insured business's operations. Now, there are options for interruption coverage that include everything from weather damage, which is not so uncommon in Hong Kong, through to acts of war, which absolutely is. The policies which cover inclement weather interruption are generally more common than those which cover acts of war and are priced accordingly. But where this gets interesting is the range of specialist clauses that businesses can obtain, some of which are considered by many insurers and many product classes to be general exclusions from coverage. Terrorism and sabotage, threats of terrorism, government interventions and seizures, strikes, riots and civil commotions, military coups, and the aforementioned war can all be covered by business interruption policies in Hong Kong. So while a typhoon and flooding may be the more common reason for obtaining a business interruption product, it could be the right time to start thinking about insuring some of the wider range of risks available. It is important to note that premiums and claims paid in relation to business interruption insurance in Hong Kong are directly tied to your company's revenues and will normally be rated on a per-day basis for the duration of the interruption in question. You can obtain business interruption insurance on a per-clause basis, protection only against weather, for example, or you can opt to purchase larger all-inclusive policies with a wider range of risks. This side of business insurance is extremely flexible. Plans can't be backdated, and only claims falling after the policy's inception can be covered. Incidents which are already in play will also not be covered under any new interruption policy. But as to the question of whether a business needs interruption insurance in Hong Kong, the answer is yes, even though it may not be for the obvious reason. That's us for this episode. Please tune in next time. Until then, have a great weekend. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And remember, just ask CCW. We're simplifying your insurance.